Hi, I'm Jemima Clegg from Domain, and I'm here today on the set of The Block to get a sneak peek into a day in the life of the Block judges.
Don't tell them about what you've done and how good your garden is.
Beautiful, down the barrel.
I had to get up at 7. I don't live far away, so that wasn't too bad. Got here at 8, did hair and makeup. You know, takes about an hour and a half because, you know, I turn up, yes, I've got a hat. How are we going to make a hat work? And what does the hair do? What do the eyes do?
It takes a while to look, this good. Bald head. It's a long time in makeup.
But I take 2 minutes in makeup because...
No, because he spends 2 weeks of preparation to look like that, so it takes 2 minutes when he gets here.
How many houses have we seen so far?
We've seen 4, we've got 1 to go, and a little bit of lunch in between, but literally it's go, go, go.
We never stop.
Where to from here?
Tomorrow I go back to my home on the New South Wales south coast.
I drive up the road, have a glass of wine because I don't have to go anywhere, and then start work tomorrow.
This is embarrassing, but I'm flying to Europe straight from here.
Living the life.
Let's go, dude.